From the Toronto International Film Festival, this is Red Carpet Diary. Lunacy is a film worth howling about. The documentary introduces us to some zany characters who have dedicated their lives, and quite possibly their sanity, to the moon. Joining me now is director Simon Ennis. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So this is your first feature-length premiere at TIFF,
Yeah.
as well as your first feature documentary.
It is, yeah.
What does it mean to you as a Canadian director to have your film show here at TIFF?
Oh, well, it's just incredible. I mean, it's the perfect place for us to launch the movie. It's really exciting because I grew up here and I've been going to the festival since, before I could legally get in, and I've had my shorts all premiere here, so it's just wonderful. And I'm so excited that the first time anybody's really going to see this movie is going to be here at TIFF.
Now, what surprised you most about making this documentary?
I mean, I guess the thing that surprised me most was probably when I met Dennis, who owns the moon, and sort of went through all of his story and just like the amazing turns that have happened to get him to actually legally own the moon and form his own government. That was just incredible to me. When I got through all the details of his story, I thought, wow, this is, I've never heard anybody have a better idea than this.
Now, what do you hope the audience takes away from this film?
Oh, well, I mean, I just hope that they're inspired to sort of look beyond the humdrum sort of, boring normalcy of day-to-day life and try and strive for something greater and something bigger and something that may sound crazy, but, is actually, a beautiful, noble thing.
Now, I got to ask, you mentioned Dennis Hope,
yeah,
the self-proclaimed owner of the moon.
Yeah.
So,
well, he is, I mean, he did proclaim it himself, but he is the owner of the moon.
He is absolutely the owner of the moon.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, then how much moon real estate have you walked away with?
I only have 1 acre myself. As does my producer, cinematographer, and executive producer. I believe we're all neighbors, so that's nice. So maybe we can band together and like sort of create like a nice little compound for ourselves. But I only have 1 acre. I could go back for more. We'll see how well the film does in sales. If I have enough money, I'll buy more real estate.
Well, here at the Visa Spotlight Studio, we've been speaking to director Simon Ennis.